Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about database. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how important it is to create, manage, and expand your database. Your database is your money maker, and we need to make sure that we create a database that is expandable. So for example, down below, I'm going to provide a downloadable Excel spreadsheet. You can use it from Google Sheets, and it's going to basically break down your database and why it is so important. What I look at is anybody and everybody that you know, but more importantly, anybody and everybody that you want to do business with. You don't want to do business with everybody, I promise. Your sanity will thank me later. But you want to break it up in what I do is I have A, B, and C. A is for my ambassadors. Those are people that support me, that are constantly liking my pages, my videos, sharing my posts, referring me business, people that I want to do business with, have done business with. Those are my ambassadors, my A people. I will spend money on them. I will make sure that I make them feel special. I will send them cards, letters, gifts, you name it. I'll drop off homemade dog treats because I want to take care of the people that take care of me. B is everybody that are not A's that you need to convert into A's. These are people that you would like to do business with and you need to improve the relationship. C, I don't have a C. I say see ya later. If you're not an A or you're not a B, see ya, delete. Okay, so what I changed my C's to, what is my C's? My C's are my realtors. For EXP model, so if you could just read it behind me. So we get to support other agents, and in return, we get a part of the company rev share. It does not come from the agent's commission, but we are able to support other agents and in return get rewarded. So I collect all realtors for people that I have done business with, that I want to continue to do business with, people that I would love to be on my team, just realtors in general that I feel would be helpful. So, and this is what I use them for, is if I'm having any event that I would like to kind of collaborate with other like-minded realtors, I will send out a newsletter, text, email, but at least I have them all in one spreadsheet so I can contact them. If I have a new listing, I send a newsletter through MailChimp saying, hey, new listing, show it like it's yours, whatever it takes. You know, I list all that information, giving them first dibs to bring it to their buyers. There are tons of things that you can be doing with this list. So I can urge you to collect the realtors that you want to do business with, or you want to continue a relationship, a friendship, or business with. So collect those as well. These are my vendors. Vendor relationships are super important. It is a great way to expand. If you are able to find a vendor that can bring you business and in return you bring them business, that is by far, hands down, the best way to go. But I want to make sure that I'm keeping my vendors top of mind, so I create a separate list just for them. I am a list person, if you can't tell already, so I like to have hot leads and cold leads. I use KVCore, which is a CRM and automation system that EXP provides us as part of our tech package. But on top of that, I like to have a visual, call me crazy, I don't know, maybe organized, yeah. But I have my hot leads all in one list, and then I have my cold leads, so I can simply move them around. I also use Trello for that process too, and it's a little bit easier just because you can drag and drop. But the fact of having name, last name, email, birthday, address, I like to have that on an Excel spreadsheet so I can easily export that and import it into another system. Another tangent, but example. Use Mailbox Power, and that sends all type of cards, happy birthdays, anniversaries, all through an automated system, so I can easily export my Excel spreadsheet and put it into any type of newsletter or postcard system that you want to use. And it's kind of like a set it and forget it. Get creative, don't forget it, but it's a set it forget it automation system, which I highly recommend. All of us should be having some sort of automation or system to touch base with our database. Chuck Keller, who is an amazing guy, super wealthy, super successful, and I get access to him as part of EXP, and he mentioned that you should be touching base with your sphere 12 times a year. Different methods. So I think it's extremely important to have this database so you can come up with a communication plan on how you're going to touch base with these people, what you have in common with your database, and how it can bring you more business. What can you do for them that they can do for you? So I hope this video was helpful. We are going to be meeting Thursday at Armature Works to collaborate and brainstorm ways to improve our database. So if you are an agent that likes that camaraderie, that vibe of helping each other out, feel free to add me on Instagram. We can follow each other. We can get connected if you're here locally. And then I have a mastermind group on Facebook, so feel free to join that as well. We are here to support each other, help each other live a better life, grow into the person that we want to be, and earn more in our everyday life and business. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you on the next video.